Hey, it's Mike, and today I'm visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Rhodes, New South Wales for an urgent commercial shipping company raid recovery. David's company had a server crash on board their ship. When the vessel docked in Sydney, they drove it straight to Payam for an urgent 2-hour assessment. Payam received 10 Toshiba 2TB MG04 ACA 200E 3.5-inch SATA hard drives from their Windows server. Payam started testing with his Atola Insight forensic tool. The first 3 drives wouldn't detect. He rechecked all connections and tried again. This time, all 10 drives detected with good smart status and no hardware failures. Crisis averted. Payam connected all 10 drives to his data recovery PC. With 10 2TB drives, he expected to see an 18 to 20TB partition. Instead, ReFS Explorer showed multiple partitions. 4 partitions around 3TB each containing data, plus several other small volumes that had no user data. The RAID configuration was unusual. 2 drives in RAID 0, another 2 drives in RAID 0, and those 2 RAID 0 sets mirrored with RAID 1. This is very uncommon. When Payam opened ReFS Explorer, a pop-up warned about Microsoft Data Deduplication being enabled, a Windows Server feature that compresses data by eliminating duplicates. The IT manager in Singapore had tried remotely and failed. The server had been off for 5 or 6 months. Most recovery tools can't read deduplicated ReFS file systems, but ReFS Explorer has specialized support. Payam previewed the virtual machine files and confirmed good data inside. Payam saved the 4 data partitions, ignoring the empty system volumes, to a new 10TB external hard drive. The recovery took 18 hours. Payam worked 24/7 on this emergency service case. This shows that when IT companies can't solve a problem, they turn to Payam Data Recovery, while others outsource overseas for 10 times the price. Payam handles the complex cases locally, including unusual RAID configurations with ReFS data deduplication that most can't touch. If you have a failed RAID or Windows Server storage issue, Payam offers free assessments. Thanks for watching.